Wait, oh, where'd you been?
What's that, Johnny? Arthur. Arthur's Perfect Christmas.
Oh, Dad, look what Santa got me. A pillow. It's a nice
Yeah,
sports
sports
pillow.
pillow. Nice.
It's so comfy.
What's that, Johnny? Hold on, wait, hold on. Make sure it's yours. That's for James. You could open James. Go ahead. Oh yes, Jordan. These films. Think of all the films I've missed.
All the films he's missed. Think of all the films he's seen. He never thinks about that.
Rolo. Hershey Kiss. Thank you, Sarah.
Here, show him, Johnny. This is yours over here.
Probably my favorite thing in my stocking was either the clothes or the socks. The socks is pretty nice. Okay, now also.
Okay, wait, can we put this stuff back in here? This, alright, leave the pillow out. Let's put the rest.
So do you think that I should start opening them up?
That was for James, Johnny. What did he get there? Oh, wild Kratts.
Oh, James might watch that.
Nice.
Okay, Dad.
See if this, Johnny, this big one on the floor.
Johnny, you want to open this?
Yeah, that one's yours.
I guess I'll start with this.
Johnny stepped on it. Jordan, this is great.
Because it doesn't look like a DVD box.
I just want to make sure that they don't say open this one first, because that's something that he sometimes does. Open one first.
Oh.
No.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever. I'll start with. Let's see. Oh, right here. To Jordan loves Santa.
Is that soft?
Yeah.
Johnny, here, Jordan, give Johnny this one is his right there, this green one.
Oh, he got me my first jersey! Jerry Jack! Oh, wait, no, this Kevin.
Kevin
it's a throwback Kevin Garnett.
Kevin Garnett, nice.
This is my first jersey.
Jordan, with
the
alternate blue,
It's
Jordan,
the
alternate gray.
I've never had it.
Nice.
That's nice.
Yes!
Let me see that, Jordan.
Yes!
They're supposed to be.
Yes,
and
throw
then
back.
you grow into
Throw
these.
back. Throw
That's a
back.
nice one.
Woo!
You grow into these
It's
things.
I'd like some of that myself, Dodge.
I didn't buy it to you.
That's it.
And Santa don't buy you things.
Good morning, y'all. Quick. Have you guys seen Mark?